Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pudaridla. Let's get into your reading for the month of June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. For the sign of Capricorn. So the first three cards that you're seeing right now is with regards to your situation. So this will be your current path. This is your alternate path. This is psychological basis and this is karma. So all the timestamps are below in the description. You can skip to your reading if you'd like. But how Golden Dawn works is there are 15 cards in total. Each consists of 3 cards as a pile. And situation tells about your situation. Current part tells you where you're going along your own will. Alternate part tells you what is the universe suggesting to take alternately other than your current path. Psychological basis tells you what is running in the background for your situation. And karma tells you what is your destiny. And this is something that you cannot change or untie. Now the face down of the cards are done. Let's face up the cards and see what we have. We have Prince of Wands. We have Prince of Discs. We have the Priestess. So one major arcana, 2 court cards. Moving on in the current path, we have Swiftness, which is 8 of Wands, also known as communication card. We have Knight of Cups in the alternate path, which is a court card. In the psychological basis, another court card, which is Princess of Swords. In the karma, we have 8 of Cups, indolence. We have 5 of Wands, which is defeat. The alternate, we have success, 6 of discs. We have gain, 9 of discs. We have adjustment, major arcana. We have debauch, 7 of cups. We have the Hierophant, major arcana. We have happiness, 9 of cups. And finally we have the Emperor, major arcana. So now we can start with the reading. Hello guys, welcome back. Now getting into the situation, we have Prince of Discs, Prince of Wands and the Priestess. So we saw, as we saw, we have 2 court cards and 1 major arcana. So coming in the center of the reading, we have Prince of Wands, which is very fiery energy, and also with the Prince of Discs, it has originated with fire, later it became earth. So I feel opportunities will come to you to show your talent and to pursue even new things. Opportunities will be there. But again, it depends on you whether you will grasp the opportunity quickly, because I feel this opportunity will come and go. So by the time it goes away, you have to really grasp that opportunity and make sure you utilize that opportunity. Because coming with the discs, it is more of the Taurus energy we are seeing here, and the fire is becoming earth. So before it gets manifested, you have to really grasp that opportunity. And that is what I am seeing, and these kind of opportunities will be presented to you. And also while taking decisions, situation involves you to really get into your intuition as well as your knowledge. So use the highest amount of knowledge that you have as possible to make accurate decisions, to really judge the opportunities coming to you. So you have to really think deeply regarding whatever opportunities is coming to you. You have to really vibrate with that and see how you feel and then take up. So don't really worry about opportunities going away, but also keep in mind that you have to be active and really participate in this situation to really figure out whether this will work for you or not. And you have to do it kind of quickly. And this quickness depends on people also, because I got court cards and it usually depends on few people. So few people might experience you know, that decision making requirement which has a duration more than others. So it has to fit for your zodiac sign and your placements, etc. Moving on, in the current path we have swiftness, defeat and debauch. So I feel what you're doing is you're trying to communicate with people, trying to ask also with regards to their opinion, and try to see if you get some kind of knowledge, and that is what you're going after. And no matter what information it comes, positive or negative, you want everything, is what I feel. So you want people to be really honest with whatever they're saying, and not really think about what you feel. So that is what you want. And also you're connecting with that people who were honest before to you, who are able to communicate even the negative part of the situation clearly to you, not hesitating and being honest. So you're connecting with them. And that's the defeat card. So you're with the defeat card, it's also saying that you will look after people who didn't succeed in that area. For example, people who had the potential to become something using that opportunity but failed to. So you're weighing your scales down and seeing with the defeat card. And even with the debauch card, you're thinking about the future perspective in mind. You're thinking about the future. Will this work out even in the future? It's going to yield results, or will I feel a lack that I should have tried a better opportunity? And you want happiness to be long term, and you don't really want to feel a lack once again after some period of time. That's what I'm saying. And that's the current path where you're going. Let's look at alternate path that the universe is suggesting for you. We have the Hierophant, Success and Knight of Cups. So Hierophant says that again you have to use your intelligence try to judge on your own. At the same time, you can ask mentors or teachers if you have anyone who is guiding you significantly in your life in the past few years, and who has been a important person to guide you in most of the situations. It's better to ask them also, especially someone who is a guide or teacher. Hierophant is a teacher. Success represents, they can definitely guide you towards this success and take really explain what are these opportunities and how these opportunities can give you success. And finally, after taking the advice, you have to connect with yourself and really contemplate, really see how you can express yourself with your emotions towards these opportunities. And that is the alternate path that we are seeing. So you're almost in doing the alternate path there, but there are few changes that you have to also do and incorporate. And major arcanas represent major things. So there is no major arcanas in current path. You can see that difference here. And in the psychological basis, we have happiness, gain and Princess of Swords. So happiness represents in the background, these opportunities are presented to you because you deserve happiness in the month of June. So also gain, something to gain from that happiness also. So something could be materialistic. So starting with emotions, you'll be happy, and then later on, if you really utilize the opportunities, I can see in the background a lot of money can also come with the gain card. And with the Princess of Swords also, you'll feel you have the time to, you're receiving the time where you can really show who you are and become successful. You're feeling that that feeling will come because this is a psychological basis. So background is bringing you that opportunity, the situation where you feel you are the time is coming, and there is no wait, some feeling like you have been waiting for this and now it's the time and you have to take action. So that kind of feeling also is coming in the background. In the karma, we got indolence, judgment and the Emperor. See again two major arcanas here in the karma. So it's a significant month for you. It's very important month for you, so to look after. especially opportunities, what opportunities coming. You have to be really active and alert what are the opportunities that are coming to you, because these opportunities come and go. So you have to be really quick at making decisions and make decisions, you know, which are good to you, which really resonates with you, and use your intelligence for that. With indolence, again, you know, look where you're going with the indolence card. You know, contemplate on the current path and the alternate path which I just told you. So that is the indolence card. So even though you feel like there is something lacking, something it could be something much better, you really dig deeper in understand, is it gonna be worth some value, and really judge that value, even though if it is a small thing. Really try to see in the light of this judgment card, and really weigh down the scales evenly and be systematic. And the Emperor suggests that you don't have to be scared, or you don't have to have the fear to go after what you like with the Emperor card. And really be bold, really be strong at this time. Don't fear or don't get scared for you know, choosing what you like. And that's the karma that's bringing you. So overall, I'm seeing a lot of opportunities are coming to you, so it's gonna come and go, as I said, and that's the situation. Also, you know, you are actually connecting with people and taking advice, but alternate path is saying connect with people who have like very good intelligence, especially some kind of teacher or mentor who has been guiding you, who has been directing you towards the success, and they will again direct you towards the success. And from there on, again, you can contemplate on yourself, see how you feel emotionally, how you can give yourself emotionally to the, you know, these opportunities, and what value you can give, how you can show yourself who you are to these opportunities. And that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notified and never miss any video. Also check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. I am seeing Taurus and fire signs, so you can check out fire signs for these opportunities to understand, and Taurus signs to really, you know, make use of these opportunities to get more information regarding that. And maybe this is for few people. You can check water signs for you know, getting clarity and how you can use your intelligence to make decisions regarding these opportunities. And that's all I have for you, Capricorn. It's excellent reading. It's a major month, so check out for that. Also, if you would like to get a personal reading, check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings. All the price ranges are mentioned respectively in Indian rupees, and all my social media links along with my contact number are mentioned. You can reach out to me and I'll help you with regards to anything. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching, and thank you.